Alright, so I'm next to Big Green here, but she is not part of this video. I'm gonna go try to buy this 2006 LTZ 250. It has new tires on it. It does not run. He said it needs a top end rebuild and a starter. But for 600, 650, I think is what he wants. That ain't too bad. Even if I had to rebuild the whole engine, that ain't too bad. Because it looks like it's in good shape. The stickers aren't worn out. I guess we'll see when I get there. But in the pictures, it looks pretty good. So hopefully I can buy this thing and make a series on it. That'd be fun. Okay, did I buy it? Yes, I did. It's actually pretty dang clean. I mean, there's no breaks in the plastic. Let's take this. He said there's a, I didn't even check, honestly. I just gave him the money and we talked for a while. Let's see if it, he said it had a brand new battery in it. Let's see if he's truthful. Oh, does it have a K&N in this bad boy? Ah. Oh, I thought that's where the battery was. I'm like, he fucking lied to me. Yeah, I see it under there. It actually looks new, so he was being honest. I appreciate it. That dude was actually very cool. We actually talked for at least 30 minutes. Not even about well, some of it was about four-wheelers, but we were talking about child trafficking and how awful that is, and the current state of the world, that kind of stuff. So, shout out to you, my dude. You're pretty cool. There's no brakes in the plastics, but oh yeah, brand new Sun F tires. That's 200 bucks alone. The rims are in great shape. I might actually steal these rims and put them on my LTZ because those things are clean, not even bent. The headlight is busted. The foot shifter is kind of goofy. It doesn't run. Carburetor looks kind of new. He said it didn't knock, but it smoked like crazy, and it needs a starter. He went to a junkyard and paid $1 for this. It didn't fit. I mean, dang, $1. There's actually a scrapyard he was telling me about, or a junkyard, and they have four-wheelers there all the time. He said they crush them. So I'm like, I'm gonna start going there and just buying all of them, especially if they sell them at scrap. See if there's any oil in it. Please be a dipstick. Please be a dipstick. I can tell it is. There's oil in it. That's good. Let's see. That boot looks messed up, kind of. Yeah, might need a boot. But tires and wheels are good. The bearings seem pretty good. Bushings, the paint on the frame. Look at that shine, dude. Look at that shine. That's gonna clean up nice. I see a few missing bolts off the head. That starter looks brand new. What's he talking about? I don't know. Maybe he lied. This engine might be toast. But either way, I only paid $600 or $650. So if I have to put another engine in it, I can get a used one, a used bottom end for like $400 or $500. So even if I had to put another $600 into it, I wouldn't be too mad, because $1,200 for this thing and good running condition ain't that bad, especially with new tires, clean plastics. It looks like it has a billet gas cap on it. It is a Outlaw. That's a good brand. Newer grips on the front. Let's see if it has a K&N in it. Oh, it's got an outerwear cover. This thing got some mods to it. Oh, and it does have a K&N. Dude! Heck yeah, dude. Let's see. And it has a new battery. That battery's probably 50 bucks alone. Tires are 200. I think I got a pretty good deal. Even if it needs an engine rebuild, I can clean these plastics up nicely. If you watch my videos, you know I can clean this thing. But I kind of want to keep it, honestly. But I always say that, and I always end up selling them. But I'm pretty impressed with it. I was gonna negotiate if it was in rougher condition in the pictures, but well, he already told me through message on Facebook that 650 was the lowest. But if it was gonna have problems that I didn't see in the pictures, or that wasn't shown in the pictures, I was gonna try to negotiate. But I had no problem giving them 650. It's clean enough. I like the frame paint. It doesn't appear to be really missing anything. Hopefully the rear end is good. When I rolled it up the ramps, it didn't seem to shake or make any grinding noises, so that's good. That shock looks clean. I haven't owned a four-wheeler with a drive shaft like this in the back. I know this is like the Ozark and the Recons, so we'll see. Missing a few plastic clips, but that's not a big deal. The case looks clean enough. He said he had his little boy with him. He said that was his quad, because when I gave him the money, he started counting it, and he's like, "Hey, this ain't 650." And the dad obviously had already counted it and knew it was 650. He's like, "Recount it, boy." I'm like, "Yeah, recount it, boy. I ain't a liar." And to get the money today, I took out half yesterday, because I knew I was gonna probably come get this thing, and the rest I was gonna put on my credit card, but none of the ATMs wanted to let my card work. It kept saying pin error. Even I went to the gas station on the way to pick this thing up, couldn't use it. So it was a big ordeal trying to get some money. I had the money in my bank, but I didn't want to take out that much when I have a good credit card. Need to keep my credit active anyway. But let's see if this thing will. Does it have brakes? Didn't even check that. Oh, front brake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good brakes. And it has nets. I don't know if that's. Those don't look factory, so this thing is pretty cool, man. It's got a little bit of scuff up here, but put some stickers over that or something. Thought I put this thing in gear, but it doesn't appear to be that. Come on, girl. Oh, don't slide. Yeah, not bad. Probably need a seat cover. This thing looks. I wonder. Is it? Yeah, it probably got a rip in it. Alright guys, and that's gonna pretty much conclude this video. Next video, man, I have so many projects right now. This is my, I got the 400, 500, 400. This is my fourth quad that I own right now, and then I have two of my neighbors in the garage. So this thing ain't a priority right now. So I'm gonna take my sweet time with it. But look at that paint, it's pretty good. It's got some scuffs on it, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a place to put this for now. In the next video, like I said, it's gonna be me working on it, but it's probably gonna be a while before that video comes out. I started working full time recently. Oh my God, my ramp almost came off. So I don't have as much time as I used to, but I'm trying to work it out. Before I end this video, let me know, did I get a good deal on this? 650, that ain't bad, I don't think. It's pretty clean. Let me know in the comments. Leave a like if you did enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.